Top 5 businesses you can start with zero investment in 2025. Imagine this: starting your own business from home without spending a single dollar and actually making money. Yes, it's possible. And in today's video, I'll show you the top 5 businesses you can start with zero investment. Watch till the end because these ideas could change your life. 1. Freelancing. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, or programming, freelancing is perfect for you. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to find clients and offer your services. Even if you're a beginner, start small, learn, and gradually build your portfolio. 2. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a low-risk business model where you don't need to buy any inventory up front. Set up your online store using Shopify or WooCommerce, and when a customer places an order, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the buyer. It's scalable and beginner-friendly. 3. Affiliate marketing. If you love social media or blogging, affiliate marketing is your best bet. Recommend products to your audience, and every sale earns you a commission. Amazon's affiliate program is a great place to start. 4. Content creation. In today's digital age, creating engaging content on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram can turn into a profitable business. All you need is a smartphone and some creativity. Build your audience and earn through ads, sponsorships, and product promotions. 5. Online teaching. If you're an expert in any skill, people are willing to learn from you. Create online courses or offer live classes and share your knowledge. Platforms like Skillshare and Teachable make it easy to set it up and reach a global audience. Conclusion: these business ideas have one thing in common. They require effort and commitment. With the right mindset, you can turn any of these into a life-changing opportunity. So, which business idea are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone looking to start their own business. Suggest some topics for next video in comments. See you in the next video.